Hi, my name is Alan, and long before I had a TEFL certificate, I taught English at elementary classes, high school, but also kindergarten. Most of the time, I did that without a textbook, because there weren't any in those schools. So I used my art. I illustrated on the whiteboard with whiteboard markers. And that's when I realized that basically I'm not an artist who teaches English or Dutch, but I'm a teacher who teaches art and stories. So what I'm offering is storytelling, and I'll start that by telling the story in one or two sentences in English, and then I'll tell it in Dutch, which you will repeat after me. You'll tell it to me in Dutch. So you get the hang of it. You get the music, the melody of the language. And you could also draw it, but I'm not really very comfy with drawing in front of a webcam on a tiny screen. So you just imagine the drawings, and then you'll repeat the words, and that's how it will go. Now I'm teaching from a hotel room, so like a digital nomad. I don't have fancy lighting, and I can face maybe power cuts and all that. If that happens, if the Wi-Fi connection stops, I'll guarantee you have my word. I cannot guarantee the internet flow, but you'll have my word that this will not be any cost at all to you. So you'll continue, and we can make another appointment with a new lesson without any cost from the previous one. So why don't you just try a trial lesson? Book me, and I'll see you there. Bye.